Hey kids, what'd you do on the cruise ship? We went to the bar.
Can I get 2 of these, please? The chorizo and...
Thank you. Good morning, Cruise World. It is day 6 of our Western Mediterranean cruise. Today we're going to be porting in Marseille, France. Just getting the day started here at the Park Cafe with a little breakfast. And I have to tell you, through almost 5 full days of the cruise here on Wonder of the Seas, we had not felt a single movement in this ship. But it got really windy last night. And even this 230 gross tonnage ship was getting moved around quite a bit. So Mother Nature, you gotta give it up to her. She's in charge and she knows it. But today, Marseille, we're doing a scenic city tour. So after breakfast here, we'll go back to the room, get ready, and we'll get started. We finally made it here to Notre Dame de la Garde, and it took about 2 hours. The traffic was crazy.
Apparently there was an unattended backpack found, and that caused some havoc in the city.
But Cathedral is just about 200 steps away, and we'll get a nice view of the city, our ship, and Chateau d'If from up there. So we're gonna head up. Notre Dame de la Garde is an imposing Neo-Byzantine era basilica that overlooks the city of Marseille.
Sailors and fishermen seeking divine protection would bring offerings here before heading out to sea.
Construction began in 1853 and lasted for over 40 years. Our final stop of today's tour is here in Vieux Port, where we've got an hour's free time.
Yeah, this really is the heart and soul of Marseille. It's a large marina. It's flanked on 3 sides by restaurants, cafes, bistros, and shops.
All right, we had a good time in Marseille, and now we are back on board the Wonder of the Seas and here in Central Park, heading to the Park Cafe, because I hear they have an excellent roast beef sandwich. I'm a big fan of roast beef sandwiches, so we're gonna check it out. They have 3 types of toppings for the roast beef sandwich here at Park Cafe. There's an au jus, a mustard mayo, and a horseradish mayo. And I went with the mustard mayo. Steph went with the horseradish mayo. What do you think?
I think it's awesome. I love this bun, has nice salt and herbs on top. The horseradish, just the right amount.
My friends did not steer me wrong. I'm just upset that I waited this late in the cruise to stop here at Park Cafe. They also have soups and paninis and salads. And as you saw, we had breakfast here too. So it's a great spot for breakfast or lunch. Not nearly as busy as the Windjammer Cafe. So not a lot of vlogging going on this afternoon after lunch. Realized this cruise is almost over and we had to get to work.
Yeah, I like to make lists so we get all of the recording done that we need to. And as I was going over it today, I realized we still had quite a bit to do. So I had to put my manager hat on and make sure that we took care of business.
Yeah, she did. She put her foot down and got us to work because we've got a lot of content that's coming out for the Wonder and we're excited to get that out. But first, we have to record it. So that's what we were doing this afternoon. And then we had another first on the Wonder of the Seas. We went to the main dining room. I thought it was a pretty good experience.
Yeah, the wait staff was awesome.
Yeah, and the food was good. I started off with the garden salad, and then I had the braised short rib, and I finished off with the cheesecake.
And I had risotto, I had the chicken parmesan, and creme brulee.
And we've got a show in the Royal Theater tonight, but right now we are doing another first, something that I've been waiting to do since we stepped foot on the Wonder, and that's get a drink at the Bionic bar. So, a robot made this drink. How is it?
It's delicious.
And this is called the From Earth. What's in it?
It's got Midori, blue curacao, Sprite, and lemon.
It's pretty good. She's a bartender. You might be out of a job soon. We won't tell her boss about this. So we are heading to the forward of the ship right now to see the show Tap in the Royal Theater. But I just wanted to give you guys a pro tip because all of the shows here need to be booked. And one of the amazing shows on this ship is Intense, and it's back at the Aqua Theater, which is at the aft of the ship. If it sells out and you still want to see it, or you just want to kind of semi-private location, here at the rear or aft of Deck 7, there are large balconies. Now, most of the decks have private suite balconies there, but on Deck 7, it's where the rock climbing wall is. And as you can see, we were just there and show's going on. Not a lot of people there. So this is a good spot to go if you want a great view of the entire show. Caribbean did it again. Another great show tonight with Tap Factory. Thanks for tagging along with us, Marseille. I hope you enjoyed seeing Notre Dame de la Garde and Vieux Port. What's on the schedule for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are porting in La Spezia, and that will get us to Florence and Pisa.
Yeah, those are some amazing spots, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on so you'll know when we post new videos. And make sure you smash that like button. And as always, remember,
life is short and cruising is fun.
We'll see you next time. So I don't know, but either way, we got here. Now we're going to go check out
Notre Dame de la Garde Basilica.
The stop of today's tour is here in Vieux Port. Yeah, I say Vieux Port. Yeah, I do. All right, okay. Royal Caribbean did it again. Another great show with Tap Factory. Oh, was I supposed to say something else? Oh, yeah. Yes.